probably should turn the light on because it's so dark and so early. Oh my gosh, it is literally like 6 o'clock right now. I am like half awake. Got an hour drive up to Vince right now. We're gonna go catch monster smallmouth today. That's the best way I could put things. I've been waiting for this day for a full week. It's been crazy. Vince and I have had this day scheduled for a while, but we're gonna go catch the monster smallmouth. Sun's just coming up right now. It's very dark though, and it is freaking cold. It's 46 degrees right now. It is very cold. So I have like tons of sweatshirts. I'm still wearing shorts. I don't know how I'm supposed to survive that. I'm just walking through water. Oh, but we're gonna catch the monster smallmouth today. You all gonna have to stay tuned and like, subscribe, share this video out, and stick through this whole video because there are gonna be some awesome catches. I already know. Let's get up on the highway up north and get bait tackle shop, pick Vince up, and slay some monster fish. So I'll catch you guys when we're up in North Jersey. Okay guys, we made it up North Jersey. We got Vince filming right now. Rod's in my face right now. But y'all say hi to Vince right now.
What's good, guys?
Go subscribe to him. Link in the bio, link description. We're about to go pick up some live bait right now. We are gonna just gonna be a heck of a day. It's literally 7:45 in the morning right now. Bait and tackle shop is somewhere nearby. I'm probably gonna miss it. No me.
It's right up the road here.
Okay, so we're gonna get in the right lane. Hope there's a car. Okay, maybe not. Oh, there's McDonald's.
Is there McDonald's?
There's McDonald's there. I need to get my right lane, and there's a car currently. Oh, jeez. Okay, we're okay. Let's go get some bait. Alrighty, so all the rods are in the car. We got Vince's stuff. Got the cash. They're kicking their bass rod. It's sick. Plus, we got the shiner rod.
Dude, if you catch like a 3-pound smallie on that, Nick.
Or one of those huge eels. I got 2-pound test on this little ice rod right here, bro. You know, we're all set here. Vince and I, let's destroy the fish today. Repping the pond side, always. All right, we'll catch you guys when we get to the spot. Alrighty. Oh, that's it on my glasses.
Let me keep this secure.
Anyways, we are here at the bait and tackle shop. We just got the shiners. Vince got it all right there. Where is it? Just the bucket right there somewhere. You better put that away. Make sure they don't like freaking flop all over the place like happened with Joe.
Fish all over my car.
There's fish all over Joe's car. Have a whole water bottle.
No, they're breathing. They're stunned, bro.
Yeah.
There's another one. Dude, I gotta make sure all the fish are out of here.
It is very, very bright right now. We're heading to a convenience shop right now. I need to use the bathroom, get some food because I'm hungry a little bit. I don't know if you ate or not, but we're gonna go catch the monster smallmouth. Set the hook. First fish. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, little smallmouth.
Little tiny smallmouth.
That thing is so small. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Let's see that thing. Let's go. Dude, I got one. Let's go. First smallie. Dude, that's a nice fish. Bro, that's a good fish. I was just dragging it. There we go, guys. Beautiful little fish. All right, guys. Beautiful little smallie going back where it belongs. Bro, let's go. So hyped, bro. I'm gonna get the ice rod ready now.
Oh my god, we're so done.
Bro, I'm gonna catch a fish on the ice rod. 2-pound line.
Like a 9-pounder.
On the ice rod, bro. Let's see. I got one. I got one, bro. I got one. Oh my gosh. On the ice rod. Dude. No. No. Dude, that thing was so big. Dang. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go on the ice rod. Oh my gosh. Let's go, bro. Freaking smallmouth on the ice rod. Dude, let's go. Oh, he's bleeding. All right, we'll see if this guy survives. If not, oh well. Oh, he's good. I didn't realize that I was not recording, but I just caught this little smallmouth here, nothing much, but awesome fight. Back in there she goes. All right, guys, we made it. Vince is struggling out here. He got water in his boots. Decided to wear boots in water that goes up to our knees. I don't know why this guy's doing this, but it's a little special. It's okay. We were over there, now we're over here. Okay, guys, it's gonna be very, very loud because the falls are right here next to us. But Vince and I finally made it. We're gonna get our shiners, hook them here, cast right there, and hopefully catch a monster smallmouth. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's a big fish. Vince, it's a big fish. It's a big fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. Dude. Let's freaking go, baby. That's a 2.5 smallie right there.
Come on.
Vince is on. Dude, reel that thing in. Giant.
Nick, I need you to get the net.
You need to
We got two shots.
get the thing up. Get the thing up.
Nick,
Oh my gosh, Vince. What should I do with this fish?
I don't know. Nick, hold on.
Dude,
Let's freaking
let's go. Wait. Here. Boom.
Let's go, dude.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Dude, let's go. Oh my gosh. They were also cheering us on. Let's go, another big one. Oh, oh, let's go, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, it's another good fish. Oh my gosh, it's huge. No.
Oh, whatever.
Oh man. Dude, it doesn't even matter. I don't care. Oh, dude. Oh.
That one, come on.
This is on.
It's a big one. Nick, get the net.
Is it actually?
Get the net, dude.
Wait,
Nick,
no,
get
it
the
isn't.
net.
It's not that big.
Oh, it's not? Look at that, Nick.
Oh, that's a good fish. Good fish. Got one. Woo! Oh. Oh my God, what a hook set. Let me see that fish. Let me see that fish. No way. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's huge.
Hold up.
Just caught this little smallmouth here.
What?
Beautiful little guy, a little bloody. Vince is over here catching all the little guppies, right? These little guppy lures. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, Vince. I have a really, oh my gosh. I have a really good smallmouth. Vince, I need the net. Net, 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 net. It's big. It's huge. Oh.
It's huge.
That's a good fish, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. My rod almost fell in the water.
There we go.
Beautiful little smallie right there, guys. Right there. Beautiful little fish. Repping the pine side. Alrighty. go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a little quick stop here getting pizza. You know, you got to take a break, fuel up for the day.
Yeah, for real.
We got so many fish there, and we're still deciding on what we want to do next, but we'll see what happens. I am the captain of the Vince fishing vessel. We are on a boat about to catch tons of 100-pound muskie, Vince fishing style.
Cruising too.
I just ate a bug. Yeah, we're cruising. Look at this. All right, guys, we docked the boat, heading to this area. Very restricted, but Vince has rights to fish here because his mother actually works for this land. So it's pretty sick. We're apparently gonna catch a lot of smallmouth as well. Oh. Dude, it was a little smallmouth. He just came out of nowhere and bit my snake out. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a good fish, bro. It's a good fish. It's a nice largie. Largie. It's a nice largie.
Oh, let's go.
Nice fish.
Get up here, yes sir.
Let's go, bro. That's solid 1.5. Oh, Vince is on. All right, guys. Saw a little 1-pound bass right there. Beautiful fish. All right, guys, let's send the bass back. He told me he caught a 7-pounder out of Round Valley Reservoir. Oh, I got a fish, bro. Yeah. Largie. Little bass right there. I got a fish, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, it literally just on the drop, he bit. It's not a smallmouth. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that thing. Oh, he doesn't care. I'm trying to like get a good fight out of this fish. All right, guys, third bass of the spot here. Vince only wishes. Yeah. All right, guys, I just caught this beautiful looking smallmouth. Look at the colors on it. It's really pale on the jackhammer. I did not get on video. The GoPro just died, but look at the colors on that fish. Caught it right under good old spruce run right there. Let's go send the bad boy back. Actually, let's help him out so we can go to the falls. We still get it, guys. Here on hour 6, 7 fishing. It's been a ride. So Vince, how about you not knock into a tree and turn the boat? Thank you. Dude, you're gonna hit another tree. Thank you.